Insert the long, rod-shaped liquid nitrogen pump vertically into the mouth of the liquid nitrogen tank. Tighten the locking clamps on the bottleneck. Remove the hose and connect one end to the output port on top of the liquid nitrogen pump. Connect the other end to the liquid inlet above the main unit's pulverizing chamber and tighten the nuts. Remove the PUGAS hose and insert one end into the gas inlet on top of the liquid nitrogen pump and the other end into the gas inlet on the side of the main unit. Insert one end of the connecting cable into the socket on the side of the main unit housing and the other end into the power interface at the top. Vibrating feeder. Assembly completed. Before starting, turn off the main power supply. Press the emergency stop switch. Turn off the blower switch. Turn off the feeder power. And return the speed control knob to 0. Plug in the power supply. Feed the raw material into the vibrating feeder hopper. Turn on the main power supply. Turn out the emergency stop switch. Turn on the blower switch. And press the green button to start the crusher. Move the scale valve to between 3/0 for 5. Turn on the feeder switch. And adjust the speed controller to a suitable speed. Observe the liquid nitrogen flow and the ammeter readings.